Hey guys, Uday Ogra here. So today I will be explaining you a decent technique to get decent number of likes for your pages, and this will be far better than the various cheap techniques which many people are using nowadays, like going to different pages and literally begging there for the likes, like asking users please like my page or all those cheap stuffs. So my technique is known as like gating. Now what does like gating mean? A like gated app is an app which can be used by an user only if he or she likes the page in which that app has been attached to. Now how to attach these apps, which apps are these, and what is the process? Let's go through it. So go to fans4pages.com. I'm already here. So currently you are watching this video. Just scroll down. Here you can see all the apps. All these apps are like gated apps, and luckily you need not to add them separately. Only single click and all these apps will be attached to a page. Let's do that. Click on this button, add all apps with single click. Now you have to choose the page in which you have to attach all these apps. I will choose page 2. This is just a dummy page. Click on add page app. Now you will be redirected to your page. The app has been added. So now currently you can see you are inside page 2, and this app has been attached to page 2. If you're still confused where I am, let me go to page 2. Let me scroll down. This is just a dummy page. Let me expand it. So here you can see the app has been attached. So currently there is no image. I will be adding it. The name is Innovative App. Click on it, and here you are. So this is general info. As your admin, you can see all this info. Scroll down, so you can see you can see all the apps have been attached to your pages. Let me scroll down. So yeah, there are more than 60 apps which have been attached to your page. Now what you have to do is you have to share one or many or maybe all apps at as many places as possible. Now how to do that? So click on copy. First choose the app you want to share. I will be sharing friends count. Click on copy your link, press Ctrl C, enter. Now link has been copied, and you have to share this link across the Facebook. Let's see how this link will look like to a user who has not liked your page. Let me go to some different profile. Okay, here let me paste the link and press enter, and let's see what a user will see. So as you can see, this is how it looks like to a user who has not liked this page. The new user is inside page 2 and he's trying to use Innovative App. He can see the template of the app, but still he has not used it. If he has to use this app, he will have to like this page, only then he can proceed. So in this way a like gated app works. So this is one app you have shared. Let's try to share some other app. Go back to your original page. Let's try to share this app, which is the name of the app is Subscribers. Click on copy your link, Ctrl C, enter. Go back, paste it here, and press enter. So as you can see, the image has changed, the app has changed. So it is a very simple process. The only thing you have to change is this query parameter. For example, if I do it here as beers, this is nothing the app name. If I press enter, now we will see the app will change. Look at here, the app has changed. So in this way you can literally attach each and every app. You can share them. So here you can find all the list of the apps. These are the app names. Now what you have to do is share all these links in as many places as possible, like various Facebook pages, various Facebook groups, in your profile, everywhere you have to share this link. The moment new user will click on this link, they will have to like your page, and only then they can use this app. Now the main thing is how to share these links. As you know, in Facebook, if you share a link, it will get very less impressions as compared to sharing a photo or any image. So the best way of sharing a link, the app link, is to upload the app image and put this link as a caption. I will show an example. let me go to my official page. This is my official fan page. Here I have uploaded one of my app, and you can see the link of the app is in the caption. In your case the link will be different, so this is the best way to share an app. You should not just directly share this link. Upload the app image and put the link as a caption. Now how to get this image? It is again very simple. Just right click on any of these images and do save image, and you'll get this image, and you have to upload this image and put the link of the image in the caption. Let me go there. So okay, the second thing is for sharing on pages and posting as a status update. I have told you have to upload the image and put the caption. Now what to do if you have to put a comment and share something? Here again you should not share the link of the app. The best way is to share this photograph. For example, let's see what is the link of this photo. I have pressed F5, so this is a link of this photo. If I go copy this link, I've already shared this on my page. If I go and paste it as a comment and write something, okay, I pressed enter. Now see, this is how the comment will look like. So instead of sharing your own page, you shared an image which has been posted on your page. And this looks like a very tempting image. User will click on this image. On that image they will find that in order to use this app they will have to like the page, and in this way the whole fan getting will increase. So these are the basic fundas. I hope you have understood. Simple steps: attach these apps to your pages, copy the link, upload the app images, put the caption as the link, and start sharing everywhere on various forums, various groups, various pages, and everywhere. So you can reach me anytime. As you can see, this is my official fan page. So this is link of my official fan page, and my direct profile is this one, Tendulkar Oprah. I'm cricket freak. So this is my direct profile. You can reach me anytime if you have any query. If you want I should be doing the marketing of your page, I will share it across all my pages, and I will manage everything, and I can guarantee you'll get tons of likes. But obviously that will not be a free service. All those things we can carry out on mail or messages. You can reach me directly here. So that's it from my side. Keep enjoying. Have as many fans as possible. Tata, bye.